Here's how you can make a one-time online payment through web login. Go to hdfc.com. Go to the Existing Customer tab and click on For Home Loans. From the drop-down, click on Customer Login. Enter your user ID or your loan account number, followed by your password, and click on Login. Go to the Payment tab on the left-hand menu and click on Pay Online. On the Pay Online page, click on the Go to Payment button. Then, check the payment details for the validity date and payable amount and click on the checkbox. Next, select the bank from which you want to make the online payment. Enter the bank account number and click on Make Payment. You will be directed to the selected bank's net banking page. Enter your net banking credentials and make the payment. Once your payment is successful, a receipt will be generated along with a transaction number. You can either print the receipt or note the transaction number for any future communication with us.